Get excited about the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With fewer than 3,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle proves competitive in its price class based on its condition and value. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.